Welcome back to the Money Channel. I'm your host, Erin, and today I'm going to talk about one website called DiversifyFund. DiversifyFund is a website where you can invest in real estate trusts or REITs. It is a lower barrier to entry and they manage the properties for you. So, with that said, I'm not a financial advisor. You must do your own due diligence. Now, with that said, let's take a deeper dive. Okay, so this is what my diversified fund portfolio looks like. Okay, so I invested in this, I believe around 2021 or 2022. My individual balance is $511.57. It said I initially invested in $500. That is the initial cost, guys, of the flagship fund of what I have. Okay, so then it says here the total cash is 0 because I didn't add anything else to it, guys. I just bought $500 worth. Then it says here your investments / funds. This is called Fund 3, and it's accredited and non-accredited investors. Once again, $511.57. Total of portfolio, $100, and dividends earned, $11.57. Okay, so now we're going to go to the home page. So my home page is going to be different, guys, because the home page, it goes by the home page of your portfolio. Okay, so my current portfolio has real estate in these states. Okay, so we have 3 properties in Texas, 2 properties in Florida, we have 3 properties in California. Okay, guys, and then it starts to name the properties. So we have here 1 is called Mission Villas, 2 is Swaying Oaks, 3 is Village Creek, 4 is Azul Luxury Residencies. Actually, that's number 6. I'm trying to figure out. There it is. 5. I'm so sorry, guys. 4 is Avalon 1. 5 is Avalon 2. Then 6 is Azul Luxury Residencies. 7 is the France on Fraser Creek. And 8 is Independent. So guys, then we have more, okay? So as you can see, 9 is Durant and 10 is Park Boulevard. Then if we keep going, it will show us. So we have here a list of performances. So it says here, the property, the first one up is Summerlin. That's in Texas. And the IRR is 9.3% and equity multiplier is 1.17%. Okay. So that's just an example. So if I keep scrolling, you're going to see these other properties listed. Then if I go to the 3rd page, it'll show us this. Community members, customers, and then it's going to show us the 4th page, which is venture capital investment. And then we have this over here, which is the historical data. So that's what I have, guys, for my actual portfolio on Diversified Fund. Okay, bear with me for a moment while we explore properties that are currently up for sale, pretty much like the REITs. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm doing this live with you guys because I haven't checked these out yet. We are going to go to where it says accredited and non-accredited, okay? Because chances are you may not be accredited. As I said in my previous video, an accredited investor is someone that has 1 million in assets or makes anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000 per year. Okay, so we are mostly going to fit in a non-accredited investor. So let's check this one out. It's called Fund 4, okay? So Fund 4 has Azul Luxury Residences. It has Avalon 1, Mission Villas. Then it shows us the average rent. The first one being 2,900. The second one being 1,500. The third one being 1,000. Then we have operating income and occupancy rate. Then they give us news updates about the properties. If we go back to, actually, let's not go back yet. Okay, so then we have Avalon 2, and then we have Village Creek, okay? Same thing, average rent, operating expenses, occupancy rate. Let's go back to explore a different fund, okay, guys? So let's explore this one. So now we have Park Boulevard, Mission Villas, Independent. For Mission Villas, the average rent is 1,000. For Independent, the average rent is 3,100. From the looks of it, yes, guys, 3,100. Then we have operating income, occupancy rate. Then again with the news feeds, occupancy update. Let's go back and let's explore the last one. So the last one, guys, we have here is Fund 2 accredited and non-accredited. And we have here, it says Avalon 1, Mission Villas, Avalon 2, once again, average rent and occupancy rate. Operating income, occupancy rate, like I said, news, and updates. So that's it as far as DiversifyFund, as far as both my portfolio and exploring the website. What is my opinion about this? My opinion is, once again, it is a low barrier to entry. So if someone cannot afford to buy real estate, yes, they may want to buy real estate trusts or REITs. However, having had this for about maybe 4 years and only making $11, that's quite disappointing. So I don't know if I would still continue to do that or if I can actually suggest jumping into it. Because in my opinion, you can make more in just holding onto stocks or ETFs. That's just my take on it. I wanted to diversify my portfolio or portfolios because I wanted to get into real estate, but I wanted a low barrier of entry into real estate. I'm mostly invested in stocks and ETFs and mutual funds. So that's what I've got for you guys. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Ciao.